My video tutorial is about removing the ransomware called Eren Yeager. My video is only for the educational purposes though. Before the ransomware attack, you can open your data, your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation and other data, but sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the computer system, this Eren Yeager ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. And then, very soon, users realize that they can no longer access their files because of this Eren Yeager ransomware. Very soon, you'll see the consequences, the results of the ransomware attack on your files. A part of the ransomware, you may also see a lot of such intrusive pop-ups periodically attacking your screen. So ransomware might be not the only problem with your computer. Anyway, very soon users see the negative impact of this ransomware. By the way, it is possible to find this ransomware in the task manager. You may open the task manager and most likely you will find some suspicious processes. Typically these are the processes with long random names. But in this case there is a special process called requirements. Anyway, it's now too late. Unfortunately, our computer is already messed up and damaged by this ransomware. So this Eren Yeager ransomware appends a special for symbol extension to the file names. It's not something stable, but it's random extension. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note called readit.txt. So it is titled as Eren Yeager. It also changes the desktop background, as you can clearly see. You should not pay the ransom because this does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay it. I recommend that you remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, then click on the Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. And then the scanning will begin. Most likely, I assume the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to some features of Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware to protect your data, but it does not decrypt files. At the end of this scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium, which will help you to fully remove this ransomware and to get your data protected.